I know myself and I know what I want. October, baby, you know what I'm on. YSL, baby, I'm East Let Laurent. Hey, whoa, Northside rider, DM slider, family and friends provider. What? Yes, on him, that ass too slim. I need that shit a little wider. What? I'm with the O's and I'm with the crows and I'm with the real King Spider. What? Gang too router, I'm too fired up. She let me fucking the loud.
What's up, YouTube? We're back with another video. As you read by the title, we will be doing something different today. This is a lot of my YouTuber people who record out their phone, so I'm trying to help y'all out, and just people who want, more storage to do stuff on their phone. So I know, like, you only get a certain amount of storage based off what you ask Apple when you get a new phone. So today we'll be showing you how to get more storage based off initial what you have. You can't buy more storage unless you get a new iPhone, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, you would be going to settings. And then when you get to your settings, sorry, I'm going a little slow with it, but when you get to your settings, you scroll down to find general. Then when you click on general, you scroll, you see iPhone, you find iPhone storage. When you go to iPhone storage, you see how much storage you have, blah, blah, blah. The apps you don't use or don't use that much, say when you're recording, you just offload them. It gives you more storage when you offload apps. It doesn't delete the app, but it offloads it, so when you offload it and you reload it back, all your stuff will still be there. Instead of deleting it, then all your stuff will be gone again. So offload your apps before, say for instance, when you're recording, before you record, offload your app so you can have the storage while recording. And then when you're editing it, have re-offload it. So this will build up storage for you to use while you're recording or doing whatever you need to do to get storage. So I hope you enjoyed the video.